In this video, I'm going to show you how you can resolve audio problem on your Netflix app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you're trying to watch Netflix movies, but the problem is you can't hear audio or you don't have audio, then it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. To fix this problem, just go ahead and long press on your Netflix app and then tap on App Info. And this will take you to this app info page. From here, we need to go ahead and clear the app data, more especially the cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see we have a lot of data stored by this app. Now, of importance is this cache data, and we need to talk of cache data. These are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. Now, one of the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your Netflix app to malfunction, and this includes issues related to your audio. So to solve this, go ahead and tap on clear data here and then choose the second option, clear cache, and OK. And as you can see, the cache data has been cleared and some of the user data. Now at this point, start your smartphone and then go ahead and launch your Netflix app and try play any video, and you should find that the audio has been restored. However, should you still experience any challenge, then come back again to this app info page, and this time round go ahead again, choose clear data now, and this time round tap on clear all data and OK. So when you clear the whole app data, you'll need to go ahead and log in afresh for you to have a normal experience of your Netflix movies and TV shows. So that will fix any issue related to audio on your Netflix app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.